Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Patna location. It is from Bihar. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Assistant Prosecution Officer position. It is from BPSC and it is located in Patna location, Bihar. 553 vacancies are available for this post and salary is not disclosed here, and it is for fresher candidates. Education qualification will be LLB and last date for application process is 4th June 2021, and you can apply to this position on before 4th May 2000 sorry June 2021, and last date for receiving hard copy application is 11th June 2021. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this website link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for Assistant Audit Officer position. It is from BPSC and it is for Patna location. 138 vacancies are available for this position and salary is not disclosed here. So it is for fresher candidates. Qualification will be BA, BCom, BSc, CA, CS, ICWA, MBA or PCDM, and the last date for application process is 15th May 2021. So eligible candidates, you can apply to this post on and before from 17th April 2021 to 15th May 2021. So you can check with the all the details provided here, and for more detailed information, if you want to know or else if you want to apply for this assistant audit officer position, you can have a look on the website link provided here. So I am going to provide this website link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once for the website link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for corporate executive position from Sri Sai Hospital located in Patna, Bihar. So coming to job description, the candidate should have a good knowledge to handle corporate and TPA department of the hospital, and you need to prepare and submit billing data on medical claims to insurance companies, and you need to prepare bills and invoices and document amounts due to medical procedures and services, and should handle the answer all patient or insurance telephone inquiries, and you need to collect and review referrals and pre-authorizations, and also to develop and maintain a tracking system of incoming and late payments, and investigate and appeal denied claims, and to follow up on late payments and initiate late payment notices to relevant parties, and also you need to maintain the good relationship between hospital patients and insurance parties, and the candidate should possess good communication skills and must be able to handle and resolve issues of patients and insurance payers, and should be comfortable to be a part of the team and work in the team environment, and should have a problem solving attitude and ready to work on resolving discrepancies, and also should be able to prioritize the tasks and handle multiple situations. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and also the some of the skills are included here. So you please check with all the details provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description in the video, so you can have a look on the description once for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for ward boy position. It is from Sri Sai Hospital located in Patna. So coming to job description, assisting a patient with the turning and lifting patients and transferring them by wheelchairs or by mobile beds, and helping the patient bath and dress up, and should perform numberless of tasks, right from ensuring that the sufficient supply of linen and clean clothing is available for patients to assisting in patient restraint and emergencies, and also assisting in daily life activities like serving meals to patient and feeding them if required, and help in maintaining the stocks of non-medical supplies and healthcare setting of any kind would require the assistances of ward boys and good communicator, and should deal with the patients calmly and with patience, and should be able to demonstrate basic patient care skills and must possess ethical behavior and should be dedicated towards providing the best care possible to the patient. So these are the responsibilities required to apply for this award by position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply, you can visit on the official website link available on the description. So you can have a look on the description for the website link to apply for this position. And the next one, there is a job opening for senior HR manager position. It is from Sri Sai Hospital. So it is located in Patna. So coming to job description, you need to manage the recruitment and selection process and training, counseling and coaching their staff, and you need to handle workplace investigations, disciplinary and termination procedures, and developing and implementing HR strategies and initiatives aligned with the overall and business strategy, ensure legal compliance throughout human resource management, and also in-depth knowledge of labor law and HR best practices. So these are the responsibilities to follow for this job role. So for more detailed information and if you want to apply for this position, you can have a look on the website link. It will be available on the description in the video. So you please go through with the website link in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for nursing staff position. It is from Sai Hospital. So it is for Patna location. So qualification will be GNM or BSc nursing is required, and incentive will be provided if ready to work in COVID unit, and demonstrate and carry out efficient nursing care, taking care of personal comfort and toilet of patients, the administration of drugs and treatment and observation and recording of vital parameters, and supervise patients diet and attending rounds with the medical or nursing personnel, and assist medical staff in examination of patients and treatment, and also participate and help with clinical investigations and procedures, and also demonstrate and carry out pre-operative and post-operative care of patients, and you need to maintain of patients records, and also you need to take care of patients personal effects in accordance with the hospital rules, and giving and receiving reports, and also you please check with the other details provided here. And for more detailed information about this nursing staff job role, you can visit on the official website link available on the description. So you can have a look on the description once for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for specialist medical officer position. It is from BTSC for a partner location. So 3,706 vacancies are available for this post, and the salary will be between 9,300 to 34,800 rupees per month. So 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Education qualification will be PG diploma and MS or MD, and last date for application process is 24th May 2021. So interested candidates, you can apply on and before 24th May 2021. And for more detailed information like application procedure and selection procedure and other detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link provided here, and two website links are given here. So I am going to provide these website links in the description for your reference. So you can have a look on the description for these website links. Next one, there is a job opening for general medical officer position. It is from BTSC Bihar. So salary will be 34,800 rupees per month. So it will be up to 34,800 rupees. It will be starting from 9,300 per month. So it is for fresher candidates. 2,632 vacancies are available for this position, and qualification will be MBBS. So last date for application process is 24th May 2021. So it is started from 4th May 2021. So the application procedure ends before 24th. I mean on before 24th 5th May 2021. So if you want to know other more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website links provided here, and I'm going to provide these links in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description. Next one, there is a job opening for medical officer position. It is from Prathama Blood Center. So it is for Patna location. Education qualification will be MBBS, and 0 to 1 year of experience is required to apply for this position. Coming to responsibilities, monitor routine activities like in that conduct proper screening of all donors as per SOPs, and ensure phlebotomy procedure is done properly, and handle all queries relating to blood donation from donor, and handle all donor reaction and resolve their grievances, and supervise all therapeutic procedures, and also attend blood drive or van on each working day. So these are the monitor routine activities. Next one, ensure procedural compliances over there. So you can also check here with the all the details provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link available on the description, so you can have a look on the description once for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for territory sales officer position. It is from Cellmax Home Appliances for Patna location. So you please check with all the details provided here. Some of the responsibilities are mentioned. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the website link. It will be available on the description. So you please go through with that. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.